Hey friend, Brent here. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn a passive income on YouTube from affiliate marketing. And the great part is you don't need any subscribers, you don't need to rely on Google AdSense, you don't need a ton of viewers on your videos, and you don't even need a high quality video or Hollywood level style video studio. This is the perfect method if you're an affiliate marketer and you're just getting started on YouTube, but your channel isn't big enough to generate consistent revenue through AdSense. Look, most people think the only way to generate YouTube money is to get millions of views and either have YouTube pay you per view or another brand pays you to mention them on their videos. And while these are great methods, they're completely out of reach for those that are just getting started. Most beginning YouTube channels simply aren't large enough to pick up enough steam and secure a brand deal. And even the YouTube pay per impression model varies depending on what niche you're in. It's going to be pretty difficult to beat the method I'm going to show you in today's video. See, the method I'm going to show you now doesn't require a ton of viewers. It doesn't require you to have a lot of subscribers either. Let me explain it like this. There are two reasons people usually go on YouTube. Number one is just to browse. They want to see trending videos or catch up on their favorite channels, or let YouTube handpick a few of those most popular videos that you might like that show on your homepage. Well, that's what we call browsing. And that's when it's important to have lots of subs, likes, and comments and views. All of the things that people typically think you need to make money on YouTube. But the other way people consume content on YouTube is just a little different. And the second reason people come to YouTube is specifically to search for something. Whether they're typing in a question or looking for a tutorial on video, maybe they're thinking about buying the next iPhone and want to see a tech review on it. Bottom line is that they're coming on YouTube because they have something specific that they want to learn from. And this is where views or subscribers become practically irrelevant. For example, if you're trying to find the best podcast studio mic to use on my show, I'm really not interested in how many views or subscribers that channel has. All I care about is finding a video that answers my questions. And this is exactly the type of traffic we'll be hijacking. So how does this all work? Let's talk through this step by step. Step 1, find a product to promote as an affiliate. Now real quick, what's an affiliate? An affiliate is someone who joins forces with a product that they like and then they promote it. Now let's say you really like this podcast mic. Well, I can sign up to become an affiliate on Amazon or whoever is selling it, and they'll give me a special link to use while I'm promoting it. If someone buys through my link, I make a commission. Now, Amazon is a great place to become an affiliate, and there are tons of affiliate networks with dozens of products like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Digistore24. But, and this is important for this particular method, we want to promote products that people are already searching for. So my secret tip for today is to become an affiliate marketer of software. This is the perfect method that you can use to promote for favorite software, which will be clearer in step number 2. Now, step number 2 is to create videos based on one of these highly searched formulas, and I'll tell you what they are first. The first type is the versus or comparison video. Next comes the demo video, after that is the review video, and lastly are the alternatives video. I'll break them down slowly. The versus or comparison video helps people choose between two products that are pretty similar. This is why I love promoting software for this method. The chances are your favorite software has at least 3 or 4 very close competitors, which makes it very hard if you're just getting started to make a decision. For me, I love a landing page builder called ClickFunnels, but I know there are a handful of other landing page builders that other people swear by and love. So it would be easy to hop on a video and show the comparison of each. With this video type, do some research on competitors and compare each program. Go over the benefits, the pros, the cons, the costs, the reviews online. Doing so in a simple way will help other people make choices easier for them. The second type of video is the demo video. In this video type, you're going to go in and show someone how to use their service. Going back to ClickFunnels as an example, you could go in and show how to create a landing page or go and set up software so it's ready to use for them. The third is the review video. This is pretty straightforward. Instead of comparing different products, you're focusing on just one. Remember that this is a high-level review, so you'll want to cover everything from price, usability, and customer support. Some of my favorite examples are tech video reviews. Channels like MKBHD or Dave2D create some awesome videos reviewing things like smartphones and laptops. They go into details about what's good and what's bad about the products and also sharing their opinions. If there's a certain type of product that you love and you know a lot about, don't be afraid to make reviews on those. People love these kinds of videos even if they aren't in the market to buy anything. And last is what we call our alternative videos. This is something like top 5 alternatives to MailChimp or best alternatives to ClickFunnels. Now I'm going to tell you, while this may sound like a lot of work to do, and it is, if you know your product well, you can pump these videos out faster than you might think. The reason is you don't need fancy equipment or a whole lot of editing. The best way to make these videos is simply screen sharing your computer and hitting the record button. You can leave your affiliate link in the description, and the reason why I love this type of video is because you're actually barely even selling. If you're helping someone find the right product for them, simply leaving your affiliate link in the description is the easiest way to make a sale. They have quick access to the link and you'll get a commission on every sale. Alright, well, I hope that I've helped get your brain turning with ideas on how you can make money with YouTube even if you don't have any subscribers, views, brand deals, or products of your own to sell. Remember, in this game, it's not about who has the highest video quality, but who can offer the most help. And if you think you can help people solve their problems, this might be the perfect method for you. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in either the card above or in the end screen. I'd also like to know if you've already tried a salary supplementing side hustle. What strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.